How to hide and show section in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to hide and show sections in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first we have to log into your Wix Studio account. After that, you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. You can click on it. And then you will be in that dashboard, in that website dashboard. So now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So hide section will be very useful because you can make a change or preview your website without delete your sections. So let's say I want to delete this section. So I can just right click and then select a layer and then choose the section here. After that, you can see this is the section. You can click three dots here and then there is option to hide. You can click on it and it disappear, now you can preview your website. Maybe you want to zoom out, like this. And then if you want to make it show again, you can just go to layer here in the sidebar. And now as you can see, this section is hidden. Now you can just click show here. You can click it and it will appears again. And also these settings or this sidebar are very useful because you can hide a section at once, you can hide multiple section at once. Maybe you want to hide the section, you can just click it and hide. And then you can also hide the section. And when you want to it appears again, you can just click show and click show. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.